psychobiography is the explicit use of formal psychological theory or research in the interpretation of lives. It is based on an interdisciplinary nature that allows one to trace life's winding trajectory and assist one in exploring episodes or fragments abstracted from life as a whole. From a different viewpoint, William Schultz argued that if laws derived from mainstream research move us further and further away from the lonely single life, burying it in generalities, then psychobiography works like a kind of exhumation, reminding us the importance of one life. Recalling my initial research goals, this provided me with the optimal medium in which to conduct this type of research, and in determining my methods and general principles, I tried to follow Schultz's portrayal of Sigmund Freud's guidelines in his psychobiographical accounts, and the four principal aspects of this guideline was: first, avoiding pathographizing and idealizing the subject, and second, do not draw strong conclusions from inadequate data, which I suspected would be the case with my research. Examine the internal and external validity of biographical anecdotes, and finally compare the biographical subject's behavior with that of contemporaries. Now, in terms of the subjects, let me provide some information about my specific methods and the participants. The students that the students that were in this research were 12 Turkish citizen University of Chicago students, and they were born and raised in Turkey. They have spent their whole life there until coming here to college. They have different choices of faith, different lifestyles, and in order to respect their privacy, their names have been switched with absolutely random Turkish names. All of them were carefully and extensively informed about the nature of the study. They were initially asked to describe their lives after they moved to America. The questions that I used in the conversations were not standardized, but very similar, and they developed according to the context of the conversation. And the responses that they gave were in Turkish and later translated into English. And the particular reason for that was I presumed that this would provide a more natural setting in which the students would be more comfortable, more honest about their opinions. And their responses were then evaluated in light of the literature on immigrant psychology and sexual identity development as well. And through a number of 12 case studies, I tried to understand and make sense of each student's life after migration by creating a psychobiographical narrative.